Here's my Phantom wallet, $4.89 million sitting there from meme coin launches. Not from trading pumps, but just by deving these coins. I'll show you how it works. Now, every single time I bought into a new meme coin, which I thought I was early, I ended up fucking being exit liquidity. That's the worst part about it. Let me go on the perfect coin to show you guys a quick example, like this coin right here. Now, the winners were not buying these coins, okay? The actual winners in this space, they were the launchers, which means they are the devs behind the coins. Now, launching puts you in full control. You control the supply, the timing, and the hype. You've got absolutely nothing to lose as the dev because creation is free and dumping is unlimited money. Now, if you keep trading, you will bleed money. That happened to me a shit ton of times. And with Bitcoin ripping and Solana currently pumping, this is the launch window to start deving. Now, obviously, I'm making this video for educational purposes only and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. Cap! Now, Pump.Fun is too crowded. Even though they just released a new feature where you can stream meme coins, right? It's too oversaturated. Coins are flooding non-stop the website, and the visibility for your coin is gone. And you don't even control your own liquidity. That's exactly why I hate deving coins on Pump.Fun, and I know that a bunch of intelligent devs do not use Pump.Fun anymore to make coins. And actually, they go to create tokens.io. Bro, I cannot type. Create tokens.io. Now on this website, okay, launching is fucking easy. Your coin launches straight to Raydium. It gets instantly migrated on the Raydium DEX and buyers can trade it right away, and thousands of potential people are going to start seeing the coin because a bunch of people buy migrated coins, okay? That's exactly why a bunch of devs use create tokens.io nowadays. Now you have two ways to launch a meme coin on createtokens.io. The first one is obviously from scratch, as you guys can tell, name, symbol, and image. So first of all, pick a narrative. I like to go on Twitter personally to look for a trend. It could be anything. What is the best age to teach kids how to swim? That could be good because he's basically, bro, what? She's basically drowning him. That could be good. That's a good narrative, okay? 14 million views. I'm pretty sure the comments are gonna be fucking Grok, is it safe? Yeah, that's actually a funny narrative. That could be good. How to lose a spot in a Counter-Strike major. That could be good too. Just anything, right? After you have a good narrative, come back to createtokens.io. Invent yourself a name, a symbol, and then just take a screenshot of anything and put it right here. After that, click next, and after a couple seconds, you are fucking done. But the second method though, the copy trending coins tab, is my go-to because it's the one that makes the most money, and that's by copying coins. So all these tokens right here are already buzzing on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is copy them here and launch straight to Raydium and ride the traffic for instant buyers and higher profits from the start because all these coins already have a good narrative that is proven to go. Okay, no more waiting around. Let's actually hit launch, dev a meme coin, and potentially make some money. Well, you guys will see how easy it is. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website. Then after that, refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. Sorry if I'm talking fast. I'm just trying to launch this coin fucking now. Let me see which one. I'm gonna go with the King of the Hill, the Jexy coin. It has a last buy 30 seconds ago, which means people are actively buying the coin, and it might be viral, and it has a $52,000 market cap. So crit coin, ignore the warning from Phantom and just continue, and then the coin should be copied. All you have to do is just wait, and then boom, if I go in scan, it's minted. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where all the magic happens. You're just adding liquidity so buyers can ape in and sellers can exit instantly onto Raydium, okay? Now, there's two simple steps. For the amount token A, just click 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, right? And you're basically keeping 10% in your dev wallet. Obviously, once you get more advanced, you can change it. You can change this. And right under is for the amount token B. And right under is for the amount token B. This is basically your own seed in the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and remember, you'll get that back later once you remove the liquidity, so it's just a first buy into your own coin, which will be you, but you're not losing anything. So I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, which is a bit above minimum, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Jexi coin is now live. Our P&L is right here, the coin, the put in source right there. And if you click on refresh right here, now we're up $200 on this coin because people are buying in. Now click on view on photon to see the chart. Just give it some time for it to load. Let me go on full screen. Okay. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? People are buying in! Should I dump it? Actually, no. I'm not gonna dump it. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to go up because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on the migrate section, okay? So, oh my god, what? Okay, should I dump the coin? Actually, no, not right now. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to go up and up and up. The market cap is at $2,000. That's fucking insane. And by the way, bro, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below, bro. It would help me a lot because, bro, shit's insane. The Jexi coin is actually doing not bad. Now, I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It looks like we are at a 5.4k market cap, 2k in liquidity. Things are looking good. The volume is high. Yo, low key, bro, we're gonna print generational wealth. Anyways, come back to create tokens.io to, make some money. And then click on refresh. And now as you guys can see, my P&L is at 1.8k, right? With a 6.5k market cap. Now click on the mouse button, do 100%, remove the money out of the fucking coin, and then click on the confirm button, and boom! That's exactly how you devil coin and print generational wealth. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if I open my phantom wallet for proof, boom, 1.8k right in my wallet.